This natural deodorant features a gentle formula with Douglas fir and Greek orange, and also features magnesium to actively protect against odor, while tapioca absorbs moisture for long-lasting freshness. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of doTERRA's Douglas fir and Greek orange gentle formula deodorant. The primary use for this is topically under your armpits or other sweaty parts. The main benefits of this gentle formula deodorant are that it reduces odor, absorbs excess moisture, and promotes a more positive mood. It's also baking soda, aluminum, paraben, phthalate, and talc free, which are really good when you're trying to reduce your toxic load. The directions for use are applying a couple swipes under your arms in the morning and at night, and then you want to make sure to reapply after swimming, showering, or sweating for best results. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.